Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we are going to be doing an at-home brow tattoo. Today I'm going to be trying out the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel Tint. So this is meant to last up to 3 days. So you can leave it on for 20 minutes or 2 hours. So I'm gonna just try it out today for like 2 hours. But yeah, do you like this look that I have on today? This is my Aquarius season makeup look. If you want to see how I got this makeup look, there'll be another video for this makeup look on my channel. So yeah, go ahead and have a look at that video. And if you do that, then just subscribe to my channel. Why not? You know, you're gonna watch this video, you're gonna watch that video. Subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot. And if you're gonna stay tuned for this video, then you might as well stay subscribed to my channel again, because there's gonna be a lot more crazy videos going on. So yeah, anyway, let's try out this Tattoo Brow Gel Tint. So this has 5 ingredients. It has royal jelly, caffeine, collagen, hyaluronic acid, and aloe vera. And you're meant to just, so this is the box that it comes in. We can open it up. And this is what it looks like. It's like a thick gel, it's a gel tint. And I got mine in the color gray brown. So I'm just gonna start by removing whatever I have on my eyebrows at the moment. And I'm just gonna use my face halo. So there will be, after I use this, there'll be definitely nothing left on my brows. Okay, so there we have my brows with absolutely no product in them, because with the face halo, all you need to do is add water, and you just use that and you can remove all your makeup. So just this and water and you can remove makeup. So it's really good if you have sensitive skin. All right, so let's get into this gel tint. So my brows, you can see I have quite, you know, good brow hairs. Where's my brow brush? I have quite good brow hairs, but they're just like quite sparse. And I do have a scar. I don't know if anyone can see. I have a scar in this brow. So let's go ahead and see how this looks and applies. Okay, so the product is on my brows now, so we're just gonna let that dry for 2 hours. The time is now, I don't know if you guys can see, the time is now 5:07, and I'll be back in 2 hours to let you know how it goes.
2 hours later.
Okay, hi guys, welcome back. It's been 2 hours. It is now, I don't think you guys can see the time. It's now 7:09 p.m. p.m. so it's been on for 2 hours now. I actually went ahead and took this one off. I just wanted to see what the result was when you just keep it on for 20 minutes. So I've gone ahead and took this one off. I only kept it on for 20 minutes just because I wanted to see what the result was. So that's what that one looks like. And now we're going to go ahead and remove this one. Okay, so there you have the result after 2 hours. It does look slightly darker than the one that I left on for 20 minutes. But I guess the ultimate results will be how they last throughout the week. Because if it's just a day, then I wouldn't say that it's worth it. To go through all this trouble to leave it on for either 20 minutes and 2 hours, you definitely want it to last longer than a day. So I'm gonna go ahead and test how long these last, and I'll keep you guys updated. You'll have to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be notified when I upload the update video. So yeah, in my next video I'll let you guys know how it went, how long it lasted. Did I have to do my brows in the morning? I don't know, will I still do my brows in the morning? I mean, I think they look pretty good now. They just look like what they would look like if I filled them out with my pencil. Maybe not as tidy because when I put it on I wasn't very careful, but I will definitely keep you guys updated and let you know how it went and what my routine was like during the next maybe like 3 days, because that's what the longest it's meant to last. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel and then you'll be notified when I upload the update video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, bye.